Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, safety enthusiasts, to part 2 of our series, Everything You Need to Know About Airbags. In our previous episode, we delved into the types and functions of airbags. Please do comment, share, like, and subscribe. Now, in part 2, we're continuing our exploration, covering maintenance tips, debunking common myths, and looking ahead at the future of airbag technology. Proper seat positioning, ensuring that the driver and passengers are seated at an appropriate distance from the airbag, is crucial. For the driver, the seat should be positioned so that there is at least 10 inches of clearance between the center of the steering wheel and the chest. Passengers should also sit as far back as possible while still maintaining comfort. Children and airbag safety. Children under the age of 13 should always ride in the back seat, as the force of an airbag deploying can cause serious injury to young children. If it's necessary for a child to sit in the front seat, make sure the airbag is deactivated if possible, and that the child is properly restrained in a child safety seat or booster seat. Maintenance and inspection. Regular maintenance and inspection of your vehicle's airbag system is essential for ensuring its reliability. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and have any issues with the airbag system promptly addressed by a qualified technician. Additionally, if your vehicle has been in a collision, it's crucial to have the airbag system thoroughly inspected and, if necessary, replaced by a certified professional. Remember, while airbags are a valuable safety feature, they are not a substitute for seat belts. It's important for all occupants to wear their seat belts properly at all times, regardless of the presence of airbags. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that airbags provide the intended protection in the event of a collision. Evolution of airbag technology. Airbag technology has evolved significantly since its inception, with ongoing innovations aimed at enhancing vehicle safety. From historical milestones to current advancements, the evolution of airbag technology is a testament to continuous improvement in automotive safety features. Historical milestones. The introduction of the airbag dates back to the mid-20th century, with the first patents for inflatable safety devices being filed in the 1950s. However, it wasn't until the 1970s that airbags became a focal point of automotive safety research and development. General Motors made history in 1973 by introducing the first commercial automotive airbag system in the Oldsmobile Toronado. Since then, various milestones have marked the evolution of airbag technology, including widespread adoption in the 1990s, advancements in sensor technology for improved deployment, and the integration of side impact and curtain airbags to protect occupants from different crash scenarios. Current advancements. In recent years, airbag technology has undergone groundbreaking advancements to address the complexities of modern vehicle design and safety requirements. Manufacturers are incorporating sophisticated sensors and algorithms to enable advanced airbag deployment strategies tailored to the specific dynamics of a crash. Moreover, the development of smart airbags with multi-stage deployment capabilities has become a focal point, allowing for personalized protection based on the severity and nature of a collision. Furthermore, there is a growing emphasis on integrating airbags into various parts of the vehicle beyond the traditional dashboard and steering wheel locations, expanding the protective capabilities of this technology. The evolution of airbag technology continues to be characterized by a relentless pursuit of improved safety standards, underpinning its vital role in mitigating the impact of road accidents and enhancing overall occupant protection. Future of airbags. As technology continues to advance, the future of airbags holds promising innovations in design and integration with vehicle safety systems. Innovations in airbag design. In the coming years, airbags are expected to undergo significant innovations in design. These advancements will focus on enhancing the effectiveness of airbags in protecting occupants during various types of collisions. For instance, the development of multi-stage airbags, which can deploy with varying levels of force depending on the severity of the impact, will lead to improved safety outcomes. Furthermore, the integration of smart sensors and artificial intelligence into airbag systems will enable more precise deployment, taking into account factors such as the position and size of occupants, as well as the nature of the impact. This innovation aims to minimize the risk of injury from airbag deployment, while maximizing protection in diverse crash scenarios. Integration with vehicle safety systems. As vehicles become more technologically advanced, the future of airbags will involve tighter integration with overall vehicle safety systems. This convergence will enable airbags to interact with other safety features such as pre-collision systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning systems. By integrating airbag deployment with these systems, vehicles can provide a more comprehensive approach to occupant protection during potential crash situations. Additionally, the evolution of vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication technologies will contribute to enhancing the coordination of airbag deployment in multi-vehicle scenarios. This integration aims to improve the overall safety of occupants by facilitating timely and informed decisions for airbag activation based on real-time data exchange. In conclusion, the future of airbags holds exciting prospects for enhancing occupant safety through innovative design and seamless integration with evolving vehicle safety systems. These advancements signify a proactive approach toward mitigating the risks associated with vehicle collisions and ensuring the well-being of occupants in diverse driving environments. Conclusion: understanding the importance of airbags in vehicles is crucial for ensuring safety on the road. These life-saving devices are designed to deploy rapidly in the event of a collision, providing a cushioning barrier between occupants and the hard surfaces of the vehicle interior. By absorbing the impact of a crash, airbags significantly reduce the risk of serious injury or even death. In conclusion, airbags stand as a testament to the continuous evolution of automotive safety features. Their ability to mitigate the force of a collision has undoubtedly saved countless lives. As technology advances, we can expect further enhancements in airbag design and deployment, ultimately contributing to even greater protection for drivers and passengers. As we bring this two-part comprehensive guide on airbags to a close, we hope you now have a well-rounded understanding of these critical safety components. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.